All right, we are ready to send our proposal to our customer and get them signed up for our projects. All right, so we have now completed the worksheet, put all our formatting in, looked at it, looks good, just what you wanted. We are now ready to send this out. So you come to this page. From here, you have a couple different options. You can print it if they need a hard copy or want a hard copy, but the easiest thing to do and number one thing you're going to want to do is release it. So what happens is when you release it, it will automatically email the customer this proposal that gives them a link that they're able to complete a DocuSign of this contract to confirm and get their project locked in. To do so, you're going to come up here to this release button. We're going to click it. And once we click it, you can make this bigger. It's going to give you this preloaded text. Again, we are limited what we can do for templates, but this is a preloaded text that you can have or tells your customer how to actually utilize the proposal settings. One thing that you do want to do is come down here and customize it. So we're going to put in our first name and last name. Everything else is going to be the company directory. Again, it's on your proposal. You don't really have to do anything after that, but I definitely would put in your first name and last name here. So that way it gives it more personalized. You can even come up here and type in their name as well to give it, again, that much more personalized invitation to them. You can read through this. If there's anything else that you need or want to add in there, by all means do so. If there's something that they said, you can add that in and various notes as well. All right, so one thing that I always do is I always send a copy of this to myself just so I get it in real time when they get it. So I can then start my follow-up process and confirming they got it and checking in and all that stuff. So I'm going to check this, send me a copy. And then from here, we are going to hit release. It's this blue button here. You barely see it. And now this released has now turned into unreleased. And I will show you in the very next email or in the next video of what it looks like when your customer gets a proposal from you through Buildertrend, and then how they can go in, view it, and ultimately approve it.